7 Best API Analytics Tools to Build a Great Experience. API Analytics and Monitoring encompass engineering-focused metrics like performance, uptime, product metrics, retention, and developer conversion. Let's now look at the top API Analytics solutions. 1. Misiff. Misiff is an excellent API monitoring framework. Not only can one trace every one of the requests, complete with request/response payloads, but one can also query by any param. 2. APImetrics. APImetrics has built the first end-to-end performance monitoring system to assist developers, API providers, and organizations. Using APImetrics, you can automate the testing of the latency and performance of APIs. 3. Nevatech Sentinet. Novitex Internet is an API management and governance solution that includes REST and SOAP standards and Microsoft-specific communication protocols and security models. Data visualization can also be accomplished using Sentinet's built-in reports and dashboards. Sentinet can be enhanced by adding your reports. 4. SmartBear Ready API. Ready API lets teams set up, manage, and run automated functional, security, and performance tests in a single place. Ready API speeds up API quality for Agile and DevOps software teams. One can add API definitions like OpenAPI/Swagger or Async API, run tests and record live API traffic, or virtualize web services to remove pipeline dependencies. 5. IBM API Connect. IBM API Connect is a fantastic tool for developing, administering, and monitoring API endpoints, and it is available for free. It is compatible with API authentication security mechanisms such as OAuth, MTLS, JWK, etc. This tool lets you customize APIs by utilizing YAML and graphical user interface components. 6. Mulesoft Anypoint. Anypoint API Manager is a part of the Anypoint platform that lets you manage, control, and protect APIs. API Analytics enables you to see how APIs are used and how well they work. 7. Google APIgee. As a leading API management platform, APIgee enables digital businesses to thrive. Many Fortune 100 companies and well-known brands like First Data, Live Nation, Shell, Burberry, eBay, and Walgreens use this service daily. California-based APIgee employs more than 400 people around the world. Conclusion: API analytics are used to achieve your company's goals, regardless of the situation. Just because you have an API doesn't mean that a nice thing will happen to you right away. Using your new company API in a data-driven, analytical, and deliberate manner will reap the benefits. Thanks for watching.